Hi guys, I was gifted this dash camera from the seller so I can show you everything about it. Now this is a 4-channel dash camera, so it does the center recording each side and then a rear camera for the back. So let's go ahead and take it out of the box so I can show you what it looks like and how to use it. So it comes all wrapped up here. Does have instructions. Let's see what this thing looks like. Remove before recording. Looks like they got a little protective cover over the camera. So we'll take that off. All right. There's also protective covering over this camera. All right, so that's what it looks like. These cameras do turn like this, but they don't detach. You can't take them off. So this would be like right here, and then this camera would then get your driver view and your passenger view. They do swivel like this and turn like that. Let's see what else is in this box. Now this is your rear camera. So you would run this wire all the way to the back, and this one has double-sided tape, and you would just tape it on the back, and now you have rear view footage of what's going on. So this also comes with a regular cigarette lighter charger, and the USB gets plugged into the camera, and then it does have a USB-A style here to plug in your phone, so you're not losing the ability to charge your phone. It also has some other sticky clips here if you need these to wire the wire around the vehicle. It also has your manual here. It has these plastic things that you install on your windshield, and then the camera gets mounted right up against it. So I'm going to go ahead and mount it, and then I'll show you how to use it. All right, so we got it all mounted here. You can see this is the front view, this is the driver view, and this is the passenger view. And then you can turn these around whichever you want. It's got a pretty clear picture. It's 2K. Now it does go dark like this because it doesn't want you to be distracted while you're driving. So that's kind of cool that you have it when you first turn it on, and then the screen will go dark so you're not distracted. I'm gonna go drive it, and then we'll play some footage. All right, so I just drove around my field. It does show you the 3 files of recording here. Let's go ahead and watch one of them. So this is the front view. So this is the front view.
Take picture of front.
Okay, these are all of the recordings that it did. Let's go all the way down to the bottom one. That's when I was driving. Let's play it back.
Recording started. Oh, now it's working. I'll be right back.
All right, look, it has the date on it. It has your GPS coordinates right there. It's pretty cool. All right, so that's pretty crystal clear, 2K photography. Let's look at a different video that it did. All right, so this is how you scan through and get the different recordings. I'm gonna look at the driver view right here. Let's look at this one. So this is me driving. So look at that. You also got the date, time, GPS coordinates here. So that's a pretty good recording there. So this also does have an app you can download. It does come with your 64 gigabit SD card. That's right here on the top. I'm gonna do some nighttime driving with this, and then I can show you what kind of footage that thing has. All right, guys, I just wanted to show you the footage of nighttime driving here. You get the sound and everything. Kind of hear my music playing in the background. So it definitely looks good at night. So if you guys are in the market for a dash camera like this one, I really like it. It's got that the 3 views, you know, the driver view, the passenger view, the front view, and then you can also hook up that that rear camera to it. It's got all kinds of other features, a lot more than what I've showed you in this video, but it's got like some Wi-Fi features, an app, and like parking meter. It's got Find My Car, so like you would hook it up to your Find My, you know, app, and then that way if you lose your car in the parking lot or whatever, then it tracks you that way. So this thing seriously has a ton of features. So if you guys are in the market for a dash camera like this one, go ahead and get it. Thanks.